All right, so I have noticed one problem with this data set. So if I go back to my customer data, if you see we have a customer data, if I go there, you see there is a birth date column which is currently in ABC, that means which is in text. But if I make it a date, it is not actually happening. So you see there are some errors coming. So let's actually try to solve this one. We will try to solve this one, and this is a very interesting problem because maybe in future you may get this kind of problem. So let's try to solve this. Okay, so first what I will do is I will create a new column. I will go to add column, and then actually I will go to duplicate column. So once this column is duplicated, what I will do, I will go back to transform and I will go to split column, and I will split this with a delimiter. So I will split it by delimiter, and here I will mention my delimiter. It is already mentioned. So I want to split this into three parts. So what I will do, I will select this one, each occurrence. This is fine, I don't need to touch it, and I will click OK. So now you see I have 1 2 3 columns for one column. Now what I will do, I will actually try to merge them together. So first what I will take, I will first take the date, then I will take the month, and then I will take the year. Date, month and year. So now I have to merge them. So what I will do, I will just select this one. This is my date. Then I will select this one. Then I will select this one. Then there should be an option called merge. So let me quickly find, because I have also forgot, extract merge. So you see there is a merge column option. So I will merge it, and the separator. Now the separator I will put it as a dash, and then I can make the name as, let's say, birth date defined, and then I will click OK. So you see now this column looks like this. So now what I will do, I will try to change the date type. Let's see. Now it works fine. So this is how we can actually, so if you face this kind of issues, you can actually fix it like this. So now since we have a date column, you see the date icon, now we can work with it. Thanks for watching.